Hey there, I'm Travis Cawthorn with Kramer rAVe here at InfoComm 2026, and here we're talking about DAs. So these are new DAs, part of our Series 3 products. But here we're actually showing our 2x8 DA. So this actually has a USB-C input, also an HDMI input on the back of it. But what I also want to kind of highlight, these are a little bit more feature-rich distribution amp that you would typically see out there. And there's a nice couple nice functions in the embedded web page. For one, you can individually mute the video on any of the outputs. It also supports CEC control on all of those outputs. And then it also has some configuration settings like auto downscale. So why is that important? What if you're trying to send a 4K source to a 1080p display? You're not going to get an image, and this is just a DA. So basically, if you enable the auto downscaling, it'll send the 4K resolution to those 4K displays, and then the output that's connected to the 1080p will downscale automatically. If you would like to get some more information about some of our new DAs at Kramer, reach out to us at kramerAV.com. Thanks for stopping by.